Oh God, I'm so hungry. But why am I starving at 1 a.m.? Maybe sis will help. Sis, hey, wake up. Hey, Mia, wake up.
Oh my God!
Here are some commonly used phrases for daily conversation. I'm so hungry I could eat anything right now. I'm so hungry I could eat anything right now. I'm starving. I'm starving. I can't wait to try this. I can't wait to try this.
Oh God, I'm so hungry. But why am I starving at 1 a.m.? What do I even do now? If I sneak into the kitchen, Mom might hear. Maybe sis will help. She knows more about snacks than I do. Let's go to her room. Sis, hey, wake up. Hey, Mia, wake up.
Go away. What time is it?
It's 1 a.m., but I'm starving. Can't you make something, please?
Are you kidding? Mom will kill us if she hears us in the kitchen.
Not if we're quiet. We'll just watch a YouTube video and follow along.
Fine, but this better be quick. And you're doing half the work.
Okay, I will, promise.
Okay, got it. How to cook pasta for beginners. Let's see.
Whoa, that video went by quick. Did you get all that?
I think so. Let's move to kitchen first. Okay, so first, boil water, then add pasta. This looks easy.
Yeah, but they make it look way too perfect. No mess, no spills. That's not us.
Shh, I think we can totally pull this off. Just don't make too much noise. We're like mini chefs right now. Just hope we don't burn anything.
This is turning out kind of cool. Hey, not bad at all. High five, sis.
Yeah, for our first time, this is awesome.
We should cook more often. Midnight pasta chefs.
As long as Mom never finds out. Now, let's finish this thing and get back to bed.
Oh my God! What in the world? I cleaned this kitchen spotless last night. And now, sauce splatters, pasta all over the counter, pans everywhere? Oh, those two. They must think I'm their personal cleanup crew. Do they even know how much work goes into keeping this kitchen clean? It's almost like a food tornado hit everywhere. Those two are going to clean every inch of it. And they better have a very good explanation at breakfast. So, I walked into the kitchen this morning. Care to explain what happened last night?
We're kind of hungry.
So we decided to make pasta. We watched a video and everything.
Next time, how about asking me before creating a disaster zone?
Sorry, Mom. It was just a little midnight snack.
Well, after breakfast, both of you will be helping me clean. Understood?
Yes, Mom.
Sure, Mom.
Here are some commonly used phrases for daily conversation. I'm so hungry I could eat anything right now. I'm so hungry I could eat anything right now. I'm starving. I'm starving. I can't wait to try this. I can't wait to try this. I haven't eaten all day. I'm famished. I haven't eaten all day. I'm famished. This looks mouth-watering. This looks mouth-watering. When's dinner? I'm hungry. When's dinner? I'm hungry. I'm dying of hunger. I'm dying of hunger. What's cooking? It smells amazing. What's cooking? It smells amazing. My mouth is watering just looking at it. My mouth is watering just looking at it. That smells delicious. That smells delicious. I'm in the mood for something sweet. I'm in the mood for something sweet. My stomach's screaming for food. My stomach's screaming for food. This is turning into a disaster. This is turning into a disaster. What a complete mess. What a complete mess. Things are getting out of hand. Things are getting out of hand. I better start cleaning this mess. I better start cleaning this mess. Everything's a chaos right now. Everything's a chaos right now. This needs to be wiped down. This needs to be wiped down. This tastes amazing. This tastes amazing. I'm ready to dig in. I'm ready to dig in. It's so delicious, I can't stop eating. It's so delicious, I can't stop eating. I'm a big fan of this dish. I'm a big fan of this dish. It's so fresh and tasty. It's so fresh and tasty.